Assalamu alaikum.
Islam.
We all have emotional attachment with our parents, children, brothers, and wives. My question is, how will we come to know that we've got the guidance and not surpassing the limits of love for these relations over Allah and His Messenger, and the strive in the way of Allah as per the Tawbah 9:24?
Okay, you see, I was just saying in my lecture that these relations are mentioned in the Qur'an. You can love them, but you should not surpass the feelings of love beyond the commandments or the orders of Allah. Now you want to know how. Actually, once you start practicing the eyes of Allah and the emotion you attach to Allah, you will feel the difference. But specifically, there is one more ayat given in the Quran. If you refer to Surah Mujadila, 58 ayah, 22 verse. لا تجدوا قوما يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر يوادون من حاد الله ورسوله ولو كان آباهم أو أبناهم أو إخوانهم أو عشيرتهم أولئك كتب في قلوبهم الإيمان وأيدهم بروح منه. I'm not reading but this is the most important point here. You will not find people who believe with Allah in the last day. They love those who transgress Allah and His Messenger, even if they were their fathers, an ancestor, or their sons and their brothers and their relatives. Those are whom Allah wrote belief in their hearts and strengthened them with the Spirit. So when Allah has written belief in your heart and the Spirit, the essence is strengthened with it, then you can understand Allah is with you.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, Shaikh.
Awesome.
My question is, when Allah gives guidance to someone, can he be misguided against by the shaitan, especially near the end of his life?
You see, I end my lecture by Rabbana la tuzigh qulubana ba'da idh hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka rahma. Oh Lord, do not misguide us after you have given us guidance, or do not make our heart deviate from guidance. You see, in the Quran, I came across one verse. I will read for you. Look, this is Surah Tawbah 9:115. وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ لِيُضِلَّ قَوْمًا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَاهُمْ حَتَّى يُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ مَا يَتَّقُونَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ. Allah does not misguide the people after He has guided them, until He clarifies to them what is right and what is wrong, so that they can take guard. Surely Allah is knowledgeable with all things. وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ لِيُضِلَّ. And it is not for Allah that He misguides or astray the people. قَوْمًا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَاهُمْ. But after that He guided them. حَتَّى until يُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ مَا يَتَّقُونَ. He clarifies for them what to fear and what to guard. So this is a very important ayah, that when Allah guides, then He puts you all the time straight path. Though you can do some mistakes, but He will put you on the straight path all the time. That's why once you take guidance from Allah, that is privilege to Allah given to mankind. Once He guides, He will not let you astray. He'll make sure you keep on. We can do mistakes, but small mistakes are forgiven. But He will make sure that you keep on guidance. That's the beauty. Because normally people who are astray, He doesn't guide. But when Allah chose person to on guidance, He will make sure that you remain on guidance. He doesn't misguide you. Small mistakes He'll forgive, of course. Yeah, there was one more ayat about in Al-Hijr 15, 13 and 40. Is Shaitan saying it? قَالَ رَبِّي بِمَا أَغْوَيْتَنِي لَأُزَيِّنَنَّ لَهُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَا أَغْوِيَنَّهُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ إِلَّا عِبَادَكَ مِنْهُمُ الْمُخْلَصِينَ. And Iblis said, he confessed that, "O my Lord, with what you have tempted me, definitely I will decorate in the earth for them and tempt them together, all the people, except your sincere servants for you." Meaning even Shaitan, when Allah has guided the people, you become sincere to God. So even Shaitan is saying, I will decorate this everything to other people except your sincere ones. Once you have selected them and you have guided them, I will not be able to put them on the wrong side.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. According to an ayat from the book, Allah guides whom He wills. Misconception prevails in the society. If it is so, why do we need to work hard to be corrected? Please clarify.
Sorry? Why do we?
Why do we need to work hard to be corrected?
Why do we work hard to be corrected? Why?
If it is on Allah wills.
You see, the point is, Allah guides not to everybody. Allah guides to whom who would seek guidance and who correct. You are saying that why to be corrected? He will not guide you. He guides. I was reciting the ayahs. He guides to those who seek guidance, who are changing their qibla. It's not that he's guiding. He's giving guidance to all of them. Guidance, like for example, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ شَهْرُ رَمَضَانَ الَّذِي أُنزِلَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ هُدًى لِلنَّاسِ. Quran is a guidance for mankind, but to those mankind who guard their lives. So Allah guides to those who take guard, who guard themselves. He's not guiding everybody. Guidance has been provided to you, but the guidance will be taken by those who guard their psyche. That is why Allah has used the word that ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. That this book, it is a guidance to those who take guard, who guard their psyche. So you are saying that why we should do correct things when Allah is guiding. Allah is not guiding everybody. He is showing you the guidance, but the guidance will be taken or will be accepted to those who take guard.
Thank you.
Okay?
Assalamu alaikum, Shaikh.
Ji,
My name is Atiq Iqbal. The question is, do we have to believe the Bashar, human, and follow whatever he say?
No.
Your reference is Al-Isra 17
Yeah.
and 94.
Actually, when I was saying this, you see, you are not going to follow the bashar. The message that is received, the message that you have conceived, the ayahs, that you have to follow. For example, I give you from the ayahs. First of all, in Baqarah 2 and ayah 4, وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُوا بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. And who believe which is revealed towards you. Not to believe you. What is been revealed towards you, we believe. Allah said, those who believe which is revealed towards you. Suppose I am speaking, so what has been revealed, you have to believe that, not what I am saying.
Yes, of course.
You have to believe what is being revealed towards you and what has been revealed before you. So normally your question is that do you have to accept what humans say or do you have to say what has been revealed over you? What the message, the essence that has come to you, you have to believe that, not what I am saying.
Follow the ayat.
Yes,
Ayat.
the essence of the ayahs, the sense of the ayahs is revealed to you. Whatever I have discussed by the ayahs, there must be some essence that has come to you. You have to believe that. You don't have to believe me. You have to believe what is being revealed to you. What has been revealed to you. Because which you did not knew before. Similarly, another ayat is in Surah Al-Araf 7 and ayah 75. قال الملأ الذين استكبروا من قومي للذين استضعفوا لمن آمن منهم أتعلمون أن الصالح مرسل من ربي قالوا إنا بما أرسل به مؤمنون. The leaders of the arrogant party among his people said, it is with Salih alayhi salam, to those who were weak, those among them who believed, do you know surely that Saleh being sent from his Lord, they said, surely we are the believers on what has been sent with him. We are not believing Saleh, what has been sent with him. قَالُوا إِنَّمَا بِمَا أُرْسِلَ بِهِ مُؤْمِنُونَ. We believe what has been sent with Saleh. So, when you say that I believe Muhammad Shaikh, that will go wrong. What I read certain ayahs with understanding. The sentence that come out that you have to come on Millat Ibrahim, you have come to know. So you have to look into the Quran where Millat Ibrahim, then you have to believe that. Then the change of Qibla. So the Qibla will be changed because of the Allah. He guides to the straight path. So that doesn't mean I am changing your Qibla. I cannot change your Qibla. I cannot change anybody's direction of belief.
Sure.
So whatever you come to know from the direction is, I named 18 prophets and one book. So if you see 18 prophets and book, it is revealed to you. You thought there were 4 books. Now you see 18 prophets, one book. So you have to believe what is written down, and I have spoken that and I have shown you that you believe the ayahs, the essence of it. That you have to believe, not what I am saying. If I am referring to the ayahs and I am showing you the ayahs and the understanding that comes to you of the ayahs, that you have to believe. And you have to separate my words and the understanding of the ayahs.
Essence of ayah.
Okay,
Thank you.
With this, we would like to conclude our session for tonight. Thank you all for attending the lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.